We have a challenging middle school problem. I would solve this problem visually. It can be done with the help of algebra or arithmetic. So I'm going to solve this problem visually. I would encourage you to try the problem on your own and see if you can solve the problem. If you cannot solve the problem, feel free to watch the entire video. So let's go ahead and read the question. Jason has already made enough Christmas cards for 3/4 of his classmates. Jason also realizes that only 4/5 of his classmates celebrate Christmas. For the classmates who do not celebrate Christmas, he plans on purchasing some holiday cards. Jason realizes that he needs to purchase some additional Christmas cards as well because he has not made enough Christmas cards for all the classmates who celebrate Christmas. If Jason purchases 6 more holiday cards than Christmas cards, exactly how many Christmas cards did Jason make himself? Assume each classmate gets exactly 1 card. So there's a lot going on. We have 2 types of cards, Christmas cards and holiday cards. And there are 2 types of Christmas cards, ones that Jason made and ones that he's going to buy. And he has enough Christmas cards for 3/4 of the entire class. However, only 4/5 of the classmates celebrate Christmas. So pause the video, solve the problem. But if you for some reason can't, feel free to see the entire video. The solution follows. So we're going to look at the 2 fractions in the problem. They are 3/4 and 4/5. We're going to use a 4x5 grid to represent the whole. Why 4x5? We are talking about 2 fractions. Fractions 3/4 and 4/5. Now a 4x5 grid allows me to shade 3/4 very easily. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. It also allows me to shade 4/5 pretty easily too. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. So here what we have is a couple of sentences from your question. 4/5 of the classmates celebrate Christmas. So that means these people, 4/5 of them, celebrate Christmas, and these don't. He has enough cards for 3/5 of his classmates. This is his entire class. He has enough cards for 3/4 of his classmates. Sorry, I didn't mean to say 3/5. It's 3/4. So these cards will go to, these are Christmas cards. They're going to go to the students who celebrate Christmas. How would you do that? Well, one way to do it, count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These 15 bits that represent the Christmas cards that Jason made will go to the kids that celebrate Christmas. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now these kids will get the cards that Jason made. He still needs a few more cards for these kids who celebrate Christmas. He's going to buy them. And these kids who don't celebrate Christmas, he will buy holiday cards for them. Now, according to the question, he bought 6 more holiday cards. So this has to be 6. These 3 boxes, let me change the color to green. These 3 boxes must represent 6. Why? Because he bought 6 more. Look, these 2 boxes must represent the same number. If he bought 6 more holiday cards, these 2 boxes must represent 6. So each box should represent 2. I'm going to write it here. If each box represents 2, the question asks, exactly how many Christmas cards did Jason make himself? He made all these cards. Okay, there are 15 boxes. Each box is worth 2 cards, so the answer should be 15 times 2 or 30. So my final answer is Jason made 30 Christmas cards. He bought 2 more Christmas cards. He had altogether 32 Christmas cards, and he bought a total of 8 holiday cards. And if he bought 2 Christmas cards and bought 8 holiday cards, so he bought 6 more holiday cards than Christmas cards. So my answer is 30, and that's just an explanation.